Hi YouTubers, one more time, welcome back. Today we're going to extract the hard drive for Lenovo T410. Show you the model. We open the laptop. You can see here it says Lenovo T410. So let's go hands on. As always, we turn upside down our computer, extract battery to avoid any damage. This screw down here is the one we have to remove in order to reach the hard drive. So done, take it out, put it apart, and there's a lid, small lid. You just pull it out, and that's it. This is how we do it. So now we can add another hard drive. Is it the same process? Always showing a data on one side, on the battery side, and the power. So we put it back in, squeeze it all the way to the bottom, and we'll screw it back in. Thanks for watching.